Hello, welcome to the channel. Here's Trader Jan, and I'm gonna go through the market analysis at the moment. I've been busy the past 2 weeks with trying to make my life easier for the market analysis and later on for the trading as well. I changed my trading strategy a little bit. So today it is actually the 5th of December, not the 18th of November. However, I used the time to try to develop a mechanical approach for market analysis. Market analysis being the goal to find locations within the market where it might react. And I'll now go through a couple of days and to apply this methodology, and let's see how it's working out. So market analysis for the 18th of November. So I switched for all my different charts here. This is the daily chart, should actually be the daily chart. And this is the hourly chart, that is the 15 minutes chart, and this one is the 500 ticks chart. I'm focusing my trading on trading the ES market. So top down, I'm going to start first with the hourly chart. Let's see how it looks like. So overall, you can definitely see it goes up. We are a little bit in a range here. I wouldn't be surprised if we range back here again or test this area here. So let's see, there's a high area here from the past months. This one is the monthly volume profile, and we are here at the mid of November towards the upper part. So this one is the hourly chart, just to see where we are in the overall market direction. Then we go over to the hourly chart, and here you can see already I've developed an indicator which shows me similar like bookmap. It shows me the not the liquidity which is based on limit orders in the books, but this one here shows me what actually happened in the market. So that's a heat map approach as well. The only thing I'm going to do here in the hourly chart is to emphasize on those areas where on an hourly basis the markets got rejected, where resistance zones moved to change to support zones and all that stuff. So like here, if you look at this one, this area here, then that is definitely something which is changing so often. It is here, support, support, support. Then it went through again, rejected, resistance, resistance, went through again, support, support. So we can assume that at some point when the market comes back here, then it actually will do something there. So we see here a strong rejection as well. Gonna mark that one here. I'm gonna go after these colors here. So that was the area where there was heavy traffic, heavy loads, and here again as well, some days before, heavy load on the market. So that's going to be my approach, a little bit of a mechanical approach. I kind of got fed up with all these different opinions about how to do a market analysis, how to find the locations where the market might react. And so if you're not happy with something, other people do. Why not do your own stuff? So this is the 1 hour chart, and gonna go over to the 15 minutes charts. This one is actually the most important one for us because that one is the one which we actually fine tune our locations. And as you can see here, that one is just perfect. Now, if you go, I guess we need to go a little bit more back with the 1 hour chart. And don't be surprised why this here from the 1 hour chart was so precise. It's simply because this high volume here looks exactly the same on the other chart, on the lower time frame. So that's not much of a surprise there. So here we see there's something going on here that is worthwhile noting. No, I'm using the shortcut here. Yeah, now it works. Okay. So there was some high volume here, up here again here, and not so much volume down here. So this area here is more an area of rejecting something. So then let me just mark the lower part here. And since this area is quite big, I'm gonna mark that area here as well, which if you look here at the volume profile, it was kind of okayish here. And then I guess this was the beginning of the American session. And we scratch in something here. Now we had here, this seems to be resistance, resistance. This seems to be an area. I take that one here. It looks like somebody is still active there, but let me take over the newer volume here because that one was later, was here as well. Here was pretty much early in the days. Then we have some volume here. We have some here, but it like was disinterest here on that side. Do we have any? No, that's okay. That's okay. Don't make it too complicated. And let's see what happened here. Oh yeah, look here. Actually, we have known that one here already. We could have seen it here then. Then the market spiked down for another 30 ticks and went back up. So that actually very well reflects that one here as well. Is that enough? 300 ticks. Like if I look at the day, it's a 500 ticks. Let's check if we find something else here. Let's mark. Let's mark that area as well here. So we just have some landing zones. So looking at its here, so let's keep it like that. It's not making it too complicated. At the end of the day, we want to trade. Yes, market analysis is very important. You need to know where you are. And just for the sake of completeness, I'm adding that one here too. So now checking the 15 minutes chart. So is there anything more to be learned here? I think we are pretty much good here. Pretty much good here. Yep. And pretty much good. Not a lot of volume here. We've marked that one here. We have this area where it's constantly, where we can believe that if we come up here, we might get some resistance here. Okay. So this is the market analysis for the 18th. And in the next part, I'm gonna go over to review to load the 18th here. And then we're gonna see how we actually performed.